If you want to go vegan, you probably think that you have to do it overnight. You don't. In fact, as someone who went vegetarian 1 month overnight and then went vegan the next month, I do not recommend it. My first year was a struggle, and I don't want that for you. I want you to be able to stick with this for the long term if you want to. And if you're struggling to figure out what to eat each day, if you're hungry, if you're bored, if you don't have any energy, you won't stick with it. So instead of trying to go vegan overnight, I want you to consider going vegan gradually. You need to give yourself time to experiment, to learn, and to find meals that you love. So pick a day that you want to start. Decide how long you want your transition to last. When do you want to be 100% vegan? I know 30-day vegan challenges are very popular, and while they're popular, I think you should actually give yourself more time. There's no need to rush. Take it easy. There's no need to put that kind of pressure on yourself. Take as long as you need, as long as you determine when you want to start and when you're going to end, you'll get there. In my workbook, The Vegan Roadmap, I lay out an 8-week transition plan, and all you need to do is eat 3 vegan meals the first week. 1 vegan breakfast, 1 vegan lunch, and 1 vegan dinner. And you don't have to eat them all in the same day, so you can spread them out throughout the week. Each week you add 3 vegan meals, so actually you'll be fully transitioned in 7 weeks, but I added an extra week. So that's the overall plan for the easiest way to go vegan. Pick a start date, pick an end date, and figure out how many vegan meals you need to eat each week in order to eventually get to 21. I went vegan in 2009 and I struggled for the first year. It took me a long time to learn the knowledge and skills that I put into my workbook so that you can get the cheat codes and you don't have to struggle the way I did. It includes skills like how to read food labels, hacks for grocery shopping, how to veganize meals, how to plan meals to make sure you aren't hungry and you're satisfied, how to confidently eat out at restaurants, and how to navigate social situations that involve food. I want you to have the cheat codes so you don't have to struggle the way I did. And most importantly, I don't want you to give up out of frustration. So if you're interested, click the link in the description box and get 20% off the Vegan Roadmap.